Hey dear student, last time we had studied about element of life. Element of life, we found that it is a carbon. Today we are going to study about allotropes of carbon. It is a different form of same element with different properties. Example is a carbon, as we say. Allotropes is different form of the same element with different property. Example is carbon. This is what we call allotropes. Is a different form of the same element with different properties. Example is a carbon. Let us return back to the carbon. Normally, carbon atomic mass of carbon is 6. And it is symbolized by letter C. It has electronic configuration. Of carbon is 2. It's located on group 4. On periodic table. Periodic table is a table where we found different elements where carbon are on group 4. Means that carbon have 4 electrons on outermost shell. Means that have 4 valence electron. Has 4 valence electron. Yes, this is some features of carbon. These 4 valence electron, it helps carbon to make million compound. Because all of these 4 electrons can involve in bonding, where carbon have what we call covalent bond. And this covalent bond comes where? Because carbon have 4 electrons on outermost shell. It is difficult to lose these 4 electrons, and it is difficult to gain 4 electrons. So this carbon make covalent bond by sharing its electron. Make covalent covalent bond by sharing. It share its electron. Reason why it make million a compound. Suppose this is a carbon. As we know, it is symbolized by letter C. Here it can involve in sharing in bond. Here also, here and here. It can bonded to other 4 different elements. And if it's carbon, it can make chain like this. You see, it can make, and this also make other 4 bond like this. So until you will see that a carbon make a million compound because of what we call a 4 valence electron. So let us continue to the allotropes. How many allotropes of carbon? We see that is a different form of the same element with different property. It is a same different, or it is a one element, but that element can exist in a different form, and that different form make it to have different properties. So the allotropes of carbon are the following: are what we call diamond, we have what we call graphite, and we have what we call foreign. We have what we call amorphous. So some can exist as crystalline. Other can exist as amorphous. In this amorphous, we will find the powder in the form of powder. In the form of powder, or in irregular shape, But here in crystalline, we have a regular geometrical shape. This means what? Today we are focusing on crystalline, which have regular geometrical shape, and the other time we will talk about amorphous in the form of powder. Yes. In the form of powder, or in irregular shape. In what we call in irregular shape. Today, let us talk about crystalline. When we talk about allotropes, we are going to talk about crystalline. those allotropes which have the crystalline, where we have in the crystalline we have here, this is allotropes. The occurrence of carbon exists in two forms. Occurrence of carbon exists in two form, where it can exist in free state, and in what we call combined state. Here in a free state we will have element, and in a combined state we will have a compound. And here in element we will have 3, where we will have a diamond, where we will have also graphite, and where we will have a fluorines. Here, as in the form of compound, it is when we will have like chalk, where we will have chalk, which is CaCO3, which are calcium carbonate, where we will have sugar, which is C12H22 and O11 sugar. This is the occurrence of carbon in the form of combined state as a compound. Today we are going to take on free state as element, where we will talk about allotropes in free state as element. So let us start by diamond. Diamond is a body conductor of electricity. It is hard, it is colorless. Diamond colorless, bad conductor of electricity, it is hardest in nature, and here it is used to make a grass cutter. Grass cutter. And here it is a bad conductor. Why? It is a bad conductor of electricity because diamond is looking like this. It is carbon bonded on 4 carbon, like this. And this also bonded on other 4 carbon, like this. Like this. It make tetrahedral. It is also tetrahedral. Tetrahedral shape, as we say that those crystalline have irregular shape. So diamond have tetrahedral, as you see. It have what we call tetrahedral. Diamond is transparent. It is shine, it is transparent. So thank you so much. Thank you to follow me about diamond and its property. See you next lesson, in the next lesson, where we will talk about graphite. We know that diamond is colorless bad conductor of electricity, hardest in nature. It used to make glass cutter. It have a tetrahedral shape, and it is transparent. Thank you so much.